This is why good marshals rock and make your game.
I'm slightly foggy on this bit, on my right, my left eye.
Take yourself
Behind the
bit
tree?
up there, behind a thick tree.
Cool.
Up there.
Okay.
Right. So get yourself some distance before you do anything.
It's not too bad, but it's like,
Yeah.
I've got some, can you see it even?
Yeah, I can see a little bit.
Yeah,
there. Yeah, if you get yourself just a bit further back there, just so you're a bit further away from any rounds, and then you do it back there, but obviously try not to lift it too far out.
No, it's just a finger, innit? It's just a finger. Cheers, thank you.